Okay guys, I'm going to be doing a little bit of maintenance to this Bobcat zero turn. I made a mistake. I left the key on and it has drained the battery. I boosted it, let it run, tried to recharge the battery, but I couldn't get the battery to hold enough charge to start it. So I pulled the battery out and I've had it on charge overnight. But what also happened, while I was trying to charge the battery, I let the machine run. I actually had drained this fuel tank. Yay me. So not only did it not charge the battery, but it also has drained the fuel filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get a little bit of fuel flowing into that filter, and we'll install the battery. Alright, so as you can tell, we've had our battery on charge all night and it's reading pretty well full. Now I'm assuming it's better than it says because it has been on charge all night. So we'll go ahead and we'll install that back in the zero. Alright, so let's get our battery hooked up. Got it back in place. I'm going to start with the positive. So it's going to go on the way like so. And two sides. There. Battery is now reinstalled. Nice and snug in place. All your connections are good. Alright. And we've also went ahead and primed the fuel filter. What I did, because I drained the one tank out, I have a tank selection lever right here. So I just switched it to the other side, and it actually automatically pulled fuel into the filter for me, which is nice. Now, let's go ahead and try and start her. Choke it. And Bob's your uncle. I'll let that warm up for a little bit. The old Bobcat 61 inch. She works well, as long as you keep up with the maintenance. Alright, this has been Mike's quick maintenance tip for the day. Don't leave your key on and in the on position. Save you a lot of headaches. Thanks guys.